working a lot.
Yes. I started a new job and it's been taking its toll on my energy level.
Yep. Life has got in the way.
Yes.
But today we're going to go to the Indiana Dunes
National Park.
And we're going to do a little hike and maybe some trail maintenance.
Yep. Doing some volunteering, picking up some trash, trail reporting. Not sure where we're going, which trail yet. We're going to stop up at the visitor center and check in there and see what trail might need to be checked out.
Yep. And after that, we got to go to Bass Pro Shop.
Yep.
Yep, because fishing season's coming up.
We got to restock on our baits.
I got to get me a new rod because my St. Croix rod broke one last time we were in Minnesota and they refused to replace it.
Yeah.
So I will not be buying no more St. Croix rods.
It was only a year old.
Yeah, I know. And catching bluegill on bluegill on a medium light action rod, it should not break.
Nope.
Especially where the two pieces go together.
Yeah. Nice day out.
It is. It's like 42 degrees is what it says.
Sunny.
Yep.
There's a little bit of a northwest wind.
Yep.
Which might get a little chilly on the lake. But we got.
Yeah, we're going to go to the lake too to show you some shelf ice if there's any left, which I'm sure
there's
there
shelf
is.
ice.
But yeah, you can see there's not a cloud in the sky. It is a pretty day. So we'll see you there. Well, guys, we decided to go up here to the Portage, Lakefront, and Riverwalk. That's where we decided to go today to pick up some trash. And here's a lake right here.
We're going to go up here and park.
There's some ice, but not a lot. Steel Mills is right over there.
Well, you got warmer water here too.
Yeah.
There probably won't be as much shelf ice. We will maybe go out down and take a peek at some other spots.
Yeah, we're going to go at some other spots.
This is a short trail, and it's all paved. I figure we take a look and see if there's any trash to pick up here, because this is a very highly used trail. People like to walk their pets along this trail. Already seeing some trash in the parking area.
Yep.
And the trash truckers, you don't have to be signed up as a regular volunteer. You can just do it for the day. If you have a Saturday or Sunday where you want to go and do it, you stop in at the the desk at the visitor center, and you can volunteer for the day. They have you sign in, and they give you some trash bags and some gloves, and you can go out and pick up trash.
Yep. But that's what we're doing today. Taking a hike on a nice day and picking up trash.
And they also gave me
if you can get to it.
A water bottle.
Water bottle.
See, it says Indiana Dunes for volunteering and picking up trash.
Yep. What in the world she got now? What'd you done go get?
Got me a slushy.
Got a slushy.
A blue slushy. In honor of Mikey.
Yep, Mikey likes blue slushies. I don't mind them. They're okay. That's
good. Got just my right amount of raspberry sweet and sour to it.
Well, it is pretty good.
Tangy. It matches my coat.
Sure does. Look at that.
Color coordinated.
Pretty much. Yep, so Mikey from Somewhere Up Creek Fishing Productions. Well, I ain't been out here too long. Look at this here. I got me half a bag full. Jan's up there. I know she's already got some too. As soon as we got out, we were finding all kinds of trash. Heck, there was even a bag of trash laying there. Yeah, you can come down here and go fishing if you like. It's pretty nice. And you can see the trail is paved pretty good. Oh, there's another bottle. Jägermeister. I think that's what that is. Yeah, that's what that is. Jägermeister bottle. Empty. Let's see another bottle up there too. Oh, there's a plastic bag here too. Mini muffins. Yeah. Strawberry lemonade. Jan's right up there at the top of the hill. You can probably see her up there. Yep, that's what we're doing today. I do got my little glove on, keep my hands safe. Got a guy down there fishing. There she is. Hey, check this here out. Big old beaver chew. Right there. There's a can over there too. Big old beaver chew right there. Sorry, can. Well, just found this trash can sitting here, so I decided to empty my bag so I can have one more bag. Because if we only got 2 bags, and you can see up there, Jan's bag's almost full. She's going to have to come down here and dump her bag too. Yeah. Come on, get in there. You can see Jan got her a big old bag full. Yeah, they're out there trolling. She's gonna
Lift up.
Huh?
Does that lift up?
No, the front just comes off. It opens up from the front.
Oh, does it?
Yep, just open up from the front, pull it right on out.
Alright.
There you go. Look, she already got her bag full too.
Huh? Yeah.
Already dumped mine.
There's so much trash down here.
There is.
Look at that, guys.
Yep.
Filled that trash can up.
It was empty before I started with mine.
Wow.
I mean, it had a couple things in it, but not much.
Yep. Doing our part to help clean up.
That's what I say now. Instead of only having 2 bags, now we got 4. Because they just dumped 2.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, mine was full when I dumped it.
Do you want to go back and walk along the lake, or do you want to walk the riverfront a little bit?
I don't know. It looks like they got it shut down right here. Look at that tree there is almost completely gone by beaver chew.
Beavers.
I showed that.
Wow.
Sure is.
People are out here fishing today.
Yeah, they are. All right, we're going to decide on what we're going to do next.
Yeah, they got that up there so people don't like take motorized vehicles now.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Check that out. Yeah, found a gas can.
Braided too.
Gas can. There's so much garbage down here. I got one on me if you need it. Well guys, guess what I just found? Whole line of freaking oil. Look at this.
Brand new.
Still got the seal on it.
How that ended up in the lake water, I have no idea.
I don't know.
Got it out of there.
Got it out of there though.
Good catch, John.
Yeah. Don't want that in the water for sure.
No.
I don't know if you guys can see Chicago or not.
That's Gary.
Oh, is that Gary?
Yeah.
Okay,
Chicago's over there.
this way.
It's real hazy today.
Gary's over that way.
Yeah.
This here's a little...
This is Burns Ditch, and this goes
Burns
back
Ditch.
into marina. So this is a breakwater for,
Yeah.
for the marina here. Goes back in.
Well, right now I'm working on my 3rd bag. Jan's working on her 3rd bag. Down here at the pier, it looks like it's closed, and I'm pretty sure that's due to the ice that's on it. Bring you guys down here at least and show you a little bit of it. Yep, area is closed, it says. And I can understand why, because people will get out there and they want to walk on it. That's something you cannot do. Yeah. Yeah, you can see down the walkway, it's full of ice.
Yep.
You got all this up here, yeah.
It almost looks like pancake ice.
Yeah.
Look over here. You see it floating?
Oh, I know. Just a big old
Like a
slush
little
ball.
round, slushy ball. of
Yeah.
ice.
That's a big old building over there, whatever that's going to be.
Oh, this is the pavilion.
I'm talking about over here in front of me.
Oh,
Looks
that's
like
a house.
looks like condos or a house
That's
or
a
something.
house. It's neat how the water's cut into them. Look at,
Yeah, I know.
and there's nothing. There's water underneath all those little points that stick out. That's
Yep.
why they say don't get on those. 'Cause they
Oh, I
can
know.
rust off.
Because it's not solid all the way down.
Beautiful.
Yep, not a cloud in the sky today.
Gorgeous day.
What'd you find? Stocking cap. Wow.
Found a glove.
There's a big old 4x4 right there. Another one up there. Yeah. A lot of that out there is shelf ice.
Yep, we are not walking on that.
Nope.
They had
This little,
drowned.
you can see where the beach and the ice starts. I'm not going past where the beach and the ice start. I'm not going past that cutoff line. Just walking along and see if we can find anything. Actually, the beach area itself has been pretty clear.
Yeah, it's ice up here.
Yeah.
It's clean, but people could not clean through here. That's why it's up here.
Looks like a walnut. That's what it is. It's a walnut.
Walnut.
Yeah, it sure is. Wonder how long he took and how long he's traveled. Alright, well, we'll come back to you guys if we decide to go to a different trail, which we may. I have no clue what that is. What is that? Like a cap off of something.
Something.
Yeah, just a cap.
Yep.
That was weird.
Erasers. Go to, oh, it's for some ear erasers, like something for your ears. Earerasers.com, huh?
Huh, don't know.
It's solid metal.
Yeah,
Somebody put it on the end of that.
yeah. You see over here.
Ooh, I'm dying.
I am too. I got my puffy on and my sweatshirt.
Take a layer off.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. But yeah, we came over here because we seen all them trails right there.
Yeah, look at all the animals.
Come to see if
going
maybe
up
there
and
was
down the
any.
dune.
I'm not going to walk up in there very much,
Going
though.
up
I don't
that
want
way,
to
too. They come-
disturb the grass too much.
Come down those sides over
Yeah.
there and come back up over here.
Yep,
It looks like deer.
probably is.
Lots of deer up
Yep,
here.
that's pretty neat to see, though.
Yeah.
Well, we ended up with 5, almost 6 bags full. Mine's really full.
Walking off the beach.
And didn't get off the beach, no. Well, not the
6
beach, but
Of
just
trash.
around the edge.
And this one weighs probably three or
So-
4 pounds.
We're gonna go over here and hopefully this dumpster is open so we can throw them in a dumpster.
Yep.
Urgh.
come back and rock the Riverwalk trail another day. It's only a mile trail.
Yeah.
Throw them in there. Yeah, we might have inspired a group of 4-H family.
Yep, take my glove off.
Oh yeah, I threw mine away.
There it is. Open that lid for me.
Yep.
Get rid of my glovey. Alright, well,
Alright.
we're gonna go
6
and
full bags later.
freaking hot.
We walk up this way.
Yeah, we'll go up this way. I want to at least go over here and get my dang on coat jacket off.
I know, I don't
And
need
get
this
me a
jacket
drink.
today. Oh, here's the Riverwalk stuff.
Here's Riverwalk info.
See, I'll show you where we were at, where we walked through. We were parked right in here,
Yeah.
in this area. We walked down along here, over around this thing, then we walked down along here, and over to here, then back over up in there and walked along this beach here.
Yep.
Picking up trash all in this area right here. 6 bags, and there's still trash that's stuck in the ice that we can't dig out.
Yeah, there's a few bags.
So we got what we could get.
Yep, and we walked in that area right there too.
Yep. So, yeah. We will walk this though next time.
Yeah.
Next time we will do this trail.
They're saying you got a Sacred Sands audio tour in Indiana Dunes.
Oh, strolling theater.
219-734-7100, extension 101.
For your strolling
If you want
tour.
to call that number and dial extension 101, you can listen to it. You don't have to be here to listen to it. You can listen to it on your own anywhere you want.
Yep, learn about the Indiana Dunes.
Yep.
Portage Riverwalk.
So we're going to head back up to the car now and decide on what we're going to do next.
Yep.
I know we do got some other things to do today.
And that is
so.
a paved trail, so it is all handicap accessible, the Riverwalk trail.
Yeah, it is.
There's benches along it and everything. If you're out and about and you take this trail, stop and pick up a trash bag.
Yep, at the
Got some
visitor
trash
center.
along the way. One more.
Got another piece of garbage.
Yep.
Look like a Doritos bag maybe. No?
Nope. Lost dog sign.
Lost dog sign.
Aw.
Poor doggy.
Looks like a. Ooh.
Let's show that.
Last seen 12/17. Do not chase. It looks skinny.
Looks like a
Poor thing.
a
Pit bull
starving
mix.
dog to me.
Maybe pit bull lab mix.
Yeah, it could be.
They're looking for him.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, well, we come decide to do anything else, we'll come back to you guys. Well, we got done with the hike, so we didn't decide to go on another one yet. We decided to stop here at Bass Pro. Check them out. Look at the fishies. And big old carp right there, big old catfish back there. There's a gar. There's a bluegill down there.
Gotten so expensive.
There's a wolf.
Yeah, that's new.
I don't see no trout.
They're under the bridge.
Yeah, pretty much. Either that or over here on the other side.
They're under the bridge.
Oh, there's one. Yeah, right there. There's one. Yeah. There's a brown bear, a black bear. We got a big old moose there too. That guy's gonna fall off that bridge. There's a big old canoe. Look at that big old salmon right there.
I like the crappie.
Crappie are good too.
See that crappie right there?
Yeah.
That's about the size of that one you caught.
I know. Oh, we gotta get in the elevator. Going upstairs to try to find me a grill for the campfire.
Yeah.
Come on, door closed. I done hit it. Going upstairs. There's the back side of the wolf. Here's the front side of water. You're gonna fall off that bridge. So thanks for watching today, and if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. Until next time.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.